Let's make roasted red pepper rice with turkey wings. Let's get into this. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to season up these turkey wings that we're gonna make today with this roasted pepper rice. So we're gonna make that kind of like a little smoky flavor as well. So I have some saffron seasoning that I'm gonna put in here. I have some smoked paprika. I have some garlic powder. Onion powder. We have some salt. And we have some seasoned pepper. And we're gonna take the oil. I have some olive oil here. Take some olive oil and then I'm just gonna massage all this together. And this is gonna go in an oven for about an hour, maybe an hour to hour and 30, just depending on your oven. And I'm gonna put this at 350 covered. Just massage. Smells good. Baking dish. I'll go ahead and transfer the turkey to the turkey wings. You want to put a little bit of water at the bottom just for it to steam a little bit and put some foil over this. And then we will bake this at 350 for an hour and a half. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to roast these peppers for our roasted pepper sauce. So what I did is I just, you can do whatever you want in the kitchen, but I have a little bit of green pepper, I have some orange pepper, I have some red pepper, some red onions, some fresh garlic, tomatoes, and then I did have some chilies. But what I did is I make sure, if you're gonna use chilies, because chilies are very hot, is that you de-seed them because the seed is really, really hot. So I have variation of dried chilies as well. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and I have some tomatoes, but I did like rainbow tomatoes, so I have a few of those. This is just really easy. You're gonna put it in the oven at 450 degrees until they start kind of blistering a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and make the rest of the remaining, how to make the red pepper sauce. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. You see how they're nice and roasted. So I'm taking them out now. Okay y'all, so we have all our roasted red peppers that we're gonna put in the blender to make our red pepper sauce. We add a tad bit of tomato paste in here. Have a little bit of Saison. Just a little bit of that in there. I'm kind of gonna season like we did our turkey. Smoked paprika. A little bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Seasoned pepper. And salt. Water. And I'm gonna blend it up. Have your heat about at medium to medium high when you're doing this. You kind of want to toast the rice. I'm using basmati rice, but you can use whatever type of rice, kind of white jasmine, whatever you want to use. Put this oil in here. I'll put a little bit of a bouillon cube in here. We're gonna put a little bit of butter in here. About a tablespoon or so of butter. In here. I'm gonna let this toast for a minute and kind of let the butter melt. And once that happens, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour in our roasted red pepper mix. Okay, y'all, so the butter has been melted. Butter and oil mixture. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take our red pepper sauce. Turn down the heat a little bit. So we're gonna put this in there like so. Stir it around. Turn down your heat. It's a little hot. Put some more water in here. We're gonna put the top on this and we're gonna let this cook. And we'll play with the taste and if we need to add any more water or anything. So you're just gonna let that cook. Probably for a good 20 minutes or so. Have our roasted red pepper rice ready to go. Smells delicious, y'all. And now we're getting ready to take out our turkey wings. Turkey wings, nice and tender, ready to go. Okay, y'all, so I'm excited. We got our roasted red pepper rice with our turkey wings that, you know, we put a little zhuzh of the roasted red pepper sauce on it and baked it. So I'm getting ready to plate. I cannot wait to eat this. It reminds me of jollof rice. It smells good with all the spices on it. And then I got my little turkey wings. They ain't little, but turkey wings. Roasted red pepper sauce on top. Right there. Give us a little more greenery on top. Let's see on top, a little greenery on it. Roasted red pepper sauce with the rice and the turkey wings. Okay, y'all, so let's start with these turkey wings. This is gonna be messy. Oh my god. I need to with a little bit of that sauce. Oh my god, y'all. This stuff is good. It's really good. It's tender, it's juicy. Still lady. Okay. That was good though. Let's go in for this rice. Red pepper rice. I'm gonna eat it with the turkey, eat it together with the turkey. Perfect marriage. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Let me clip the ingredient and talk about it. It's spicy. It's peppery. A little bit of tomato-y in there. That chicken is falling off the bone. I mean, not chicken. That turkey is falling off the bone. It's moist. It's cooked to perfection. It's got a little crisp, a little bit of the crisp on the skin, but then it's succulent inside. This was so easy to make. You see, I just roasted up some peppers and onions and chilies. This is a must make. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. Chef Shay, love y'all.